Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically take photos in the Catalog Avatarr photo studio. So go to the photo studio section down here, and then I'm just gonna rotate myself. Why am I facing the other way? Okay, stop. Oh my god. Okay. Then you can go to poses and find the poses here, maybe? Okay, maybe not that one. I guess you can record as well with this. Let's see, stylish. Let's do this one. And then you can adjust the prop color, the floor color, the lighting, the angle, the brightness of the spotlight, and the position as well. You can also just arrange the distance here, the offset, the POV. You can add particles to it, like if you'd like to. You can also adjust the particle colors, but I'm just going to turn it off. And to take a photo, I guess you just screenshot it like this. But if you want the sidebar back, just click anywhere and it's going to appear again. That's how you can take photos in Catalog Avatarr. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.